Hi, I'm Elaine and I just want to give you a quick tour of my favourite foliage plants in my Normandy garden. Here we've got Melianthus major. A hard frost will cut it absolutely to the ground, but then it comes up with this very pretty blue-green foliage, which actually rather wonderfully smells of peanuts. Just look at the starburst shape of this Dryopteris fillix-mas. Just a native fern, easy to grow but so attractive. These are cardoons, enormous plants with these huge, jagged, silvery leaves. The Victorians used to eat these flower stalks, but I don't fancy them much myself.
And this is Laura in West Sussex, and I'm going to run you through my favourite summer foliage plants. Now first up is the Macleaya cordata. Never stays in its lane, but it's so beautiful, who really cares? Then we have the castor oil plant, Ricinus communis. Slightly sinister, lovely red palmate leaves and a little red flower now starting to peep through. It's on to the Aristolochia grandiflora, the pelican flower. Those very, very strange flowers, even I will admit that. Then the common teasel, just perfect in every way. Dipascus fullonum.
Hi, Caroline here in the Scottish Highlands. Remember, far more clothes on than my sisters. Now, let's have a look at my three foliage plants. So this is my first one, Alchemilla mollis. You all know it, but the leaves are lovely, aren't they? They look like little fairies drinking cup of water. It's my next one, Viburnum rhyditophyllum. Really exotic looking leaves and these lovely fuzzy brown buds. It's evergreen all year, and even when it gets down to minus 12, 13, 14, it droops a little, bounces right back. Great plant. And finally, look at this. What a corker. Rhododendron Silbervelours, and look at the underside of these new leaves, just like a teddy bear. It's gorgeous. If you've got an acid soil or a woodland setting, get one of these bad boys. I think it's won me the foliage round this week, hasn't it?